Hare Krishna. This video will take you through doing recordings of your channel. Okay? So here we are in and authentication failed. W-E-Y-Z-E. Oh, I think you spell admin with a D. Let's try that. Yes, it's going in. Okay, now we're in the admin, and we're going to add a tutorial to our already extensive list here. It'll be tutorial number 4 about how to make recordings. And to make a recording, we're going to have a look at our normal website, so you know where they go, MayapurTV. And every channel you click on, you can see that there are recordings on the right hand side usually. So if I click on Sydney, Australia, and I switch to the recordings archive, I get the Sydney, Australia recordings. And so you might wonder, how do I make a recording on MayapurTV? Well, you log into your channel and you'll have your channel name will appear. I'm in the master admin, so I get all the channels. Let me log out and go in as an ordinary viewer. So I'll click on log out, and then it sends me there, and I'll go back into here. I think I need to refresh this because my captcha needs to be changed. Let me refresh this. There you are. So I'll go and write this is the one. I'm missing all the keys tonight. MVJXL. Okay. Log in. So now you see it tells me my channel name is MayapurTV. Whatever your channel you're adminning, that name will come up there. And it gives you all the channels that you've got. So you'll just have one. We've got a high def stream here, so that it should really be called, instead of ISKCON, it should be called MayapurTV capital H capital D. Then it would be a real fit in, but we have a workaround for that. Now, I want to record MayapurTV. Let's have a look at what's on at the moment. Something very exciting. Here we go. Let's record Lord Nrsingadev. I go here, I click on MayapurTV, and here it says title or speaker. The top bit, the yellow bit's for recordings. So I'll put Lord Nrsingadev there, LORD NRSIMHADEVA, arati at the bottom, ARATI. And anytime I can click check recording status, it'll tell me what's happening. I click check recording, and the recording status will give me a message. Click it again. Doesn't want to play ball today. So let me click start recording and see what happens. Oh, it says not recording. Hopefully that's my check recording thing. And when I click start recording, it'll start recording. But there is a lag on these things. In progress. Now we're recording. So we can rest happy. If our stream does stop, if our broadcast stream does stop for a length of time, the recording will also stop and have to be restarted. So we've been recording Lord Nrsingadev for a while. So let's just click stop recording. And not recording. So that's great. So let's see if we did make actually a recording. Let's go to the main tab, and we'll do a refresh, or it'll pick it up. If we go to another channel and back again, it should pick up any new files. Let's go to New Vrindavan, and at the speed of mind we will go back to MayapurTV, and we've got Lord Nrsingadev Arati. See how the names have come out? Lord Nrsingadev on one, Arati in the other, and the date on there. He's not got a little picture yet. It usually takes a couple of hours for a picture to appear. And I'll click on that, and let's see what we get. There's the Arati. This is what we recorded. and we recorded for 26 seconds, and you can jump around in the recording if you like. You should be able to, but it doesn't want to. Never mind. But generally you can, and that's a recording made. Now the thing is, how do you administer your recordings? Maybe you want to download a recording for some reason, or you want to rename a recording because you misspelt a name. So if you go down to the right hand side, you click on Recording Admin, and Recordings Admin brings up this page here. And to get to the admin, it says recordings on the website are named according to the file name in the following format. Top line, that will be our Lord and Sringadev. That will be the name of the file, plus an underscore, so you'll get an underscore, and then you'll get the bottom line, and then there'll be a double underscore, and you'll get the date. So the date is automatically put on the recording. So if a file was named Mahatma Das, relating to Krishna, it would look like this. Yeah. And it will appear on the website as Mahatma Das, relating to Krishna, with the date there.
Office room.
Now, recordings. I'll call back in 2 minutes. Yeah.
Suppose is calling 2 minutes or 5 minutes.
Yeah.
After.
Yeah. Recording access changed for security reasons. So now we have to get there. Sorry for the interruption. We have to use FileZilla. So let's go. You go and install FileZilla, and in FileZilla you put the details here. Oh, this is very small. How can anyone see that? I'll have to make a bigger version. I'll make a bigger version very soon, and you'll be able to see how I'll split this in 2 different windows so you can see the whole thing. And then when you're in FileZilla, you can change names, download files and things like that. It's very easy. And make your own folders, organize your files in folders. So that's the way that will work. So okay, thank you for listening, and happy recording. Hare Krishna.